Hi, how are you?
Hi,
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
my name is English. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, what is your name?
English.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from India. And where are you from?
My name is Mary. I'm from the US. Nice to meet you.
Again, nice to meet you.
Tell me, what do you want to do in today's lesson?
Uh, Actually, I have some doubt. So, can you help
Mm-hmm.
me?
Sure.
Actually, my problem is I am a beginner and I learned Indian English. Um, I can understand easily Indian English, but I can understand, US and other countries English, and because that's so fast, so I can't understand properly. So can you help me?
Mm-hmm.
How can I improve my fast English understanding?
How to improve your how how to improve your speaking English and listening
Yes,
English. Mm-hmm.
speaking English.
Okay. Well, with speaking, it's pretty much practice, right? What you have to really think about is on Cambly, take advantage of the 15 minutes you have. But at home, you have to make sure you're practicing as much as possible. Do lessons, read articles. I can share with you a good website with material.
Okay.
Reading is a very good way to improve your fluency. Let's see, I'll send you some articles here. And these, you can actually do them in class as well. Okay. But I would say try to stick to a lesson plan. Okay. For example, here you have a basic conversation, which is good because it's going to help you learn grammar, vocabulary, and practice speaking. And all of those are important.
Thank you.
Hmm. So, how many classes have you done here on Cambly?
Today is my second day in Cambly.
How many classes are you going to have a week?
For week one day.
Okay. All right. Very good. So, again, in class, take advantage of the 15 minutes, but make sure outside of class you are practicing as much as possible. Okay? That is the key to it. So if
Yeah,
you want to, tell me.
I I am I am saying lot of videos in YouTube in English.
You are listening to what?
I am seeing lot of videos in YouTube English
Hmm.
in English.
Okay. And how do you practice your speaking skills?
Uh, so no one is here to talk with me in English language, so I can talk with in front of the mirror with
Hmm. Yeah, that's a good
that.
way to do it. If you have a cell phone that you can record your voice, that's also very helpful. Okay. So if you record yourself and then you listen to yourself, you will be able to notice any mistakes. You'll be able to notice, oh, I don't sound very good here. I can improve. So that is a very good way to, realize what you're doing wrong.
Yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm. So again, read as much as possible. Try to do everything you can in English, and that's how you're going to improve. Even just being on Cambly, just speaking with different tutors, that's going to help you a lot. Yes.
Actually, I am a beginner, so and I am learn Indian English so clear.
Mm-hmm.
So the tutor are saying so fast English. So suddenly I can understand some problem, but
Mm-hmm.
conversation later, then I easily understand.
Conversation.
Yeah, later the conversation I saw the videos, then I easily understand that.
Mm-hmm. It's going to be definitely like an adjustment, okay? Especially if you're talking to different tutors, different accents, different everything. So you're going to feel sometimes like you don't fully understand, but that's part of the process. Learning a language is not like it happens in 2 days, right? It takes time, it takes a lot of practice, especially
Yeah,
for somebody living in a country that doesn't speak English. You have to do more of an effort to talk.
yeah, you're right.
Hmm. So, yeah,
No,
that is very
actually,
common. Hmm.
actually, that's the problem because no one is here to talk with me in English language. We are
Hmm.
talking with me on my mother tongue, so that's so hard to improve my speaking English.
Yeah, definitely. But now you have Cambly, right? So you are able to practice here. But again, do it at home as well because the more you practice, the easier it's going to get.
Yes.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, I feel that because my first conversation was I'm so nervous, but my second conversation is I'm okay. I
A
feel
lot
no nervous.
better. Hmm. So tell me about yourself. What do you do? Do you work? Do you study?
No, no, I finished my study 1 year before.
1 year ago.
Yes,
Okay. What did you study?
um, Bachelor of Arts.
You have a bachelor's in arts?
Yes,
Oh, okay. And what do you want to do now? Like, what is your dream job?
actually now I want to make my career, and so I want to learn English first.
Mm-hmm. Learn English first, which is a good one. Yes. And then what type of job do you want to have?
Mm, I don't think properly, but I I will completely learn English. Then I think
Hmm. Okay, so right now you're taking the time to study English and then you will look for a job.
yes, yes,
Okay. All right, that's good. So do you still live with your parents?
yes, with my parents.
Okay. Yeah, when you have the support of parents and you can take things a little bit slower, it's always a good thing.
Yeah.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. Actually, my parents have two children, me and my younger brother, but I have 10 brothers and sisters.
How do you have 10 brothers and sisters?
Actually, my grandfather has six sons. So my grandfather has five granddaughters and five grandsons. So
Oh, I can't hear you anymore. I'm sorry? I cannot hear you. Can you
thank you.
speak now? Oh, there we go. Now I can hear you. Oh, wow. So a lot of children.
Yes,
That's good. What part of India do you live in?
I am the eastern part of India. My state name is Odisha.
I don't think I've heard that one. Surprisingly, we don't have a lot of students from India. I mean, yes, we do have some, but we don't have that many. So I rarely talk to people from India.
Oh, thank you.
And the majority of the people that we get are from the south, from a place called Kerala.
Kerala.
A lot of the students that I've met from India are from there.
Yes,
Hmm.
Kerala.
Yeah. So that's maybe we are more popular in that place. How did you find Cambly?
Actually, when I was starting to learn English, Then I saw some conversation. Then Cambly, I find Cambly.
Oh, really? When you were learning some English?
Yes,
Okay. You found it on YouTube?
yes, YouTube.
Okay, okay. Not bad. Yeah, I think YouTube is a good way to practice a lot as well. I mean, I have some students that, they watch a lot of videos related to English, YouTubers that teach English, right? There's a lot of that too.
Yeah, YouTube is so good. Man, not only English, you want to learn other English, other language. Yeah, it's so helpful.
Yes, definitely. But it is a good move. So now that did you get a 1 year subscription on Cambly?
Uh, no, no, just 3 months.
3 months. Okay. So what you need to do is to take advantage of these 3 months and study as hard as you can. Okay. Really make sure that every day you are reading, you are going over grammar because grammar is very important. Go over grammar, conversation. And then if you think of any questions, use your Cambly time to also ask those questions, right? Like, oh, I don't understand this topic. So that way you're going to feel like you're getting a lot of good information.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, practicing is what makes everything easier for sure. Hmm.
Do you
But
have
you
any
have a good
sibling?
level. Sorry?
Yeah. Do you have any sibling?
I have one sister, yes. We don't actually live in the same city. But yes, I have a sister.
Yeah,
Hmm.
sisters are so good, fighting.
Oh, with my sister, we used to fight a lot when we were younger. Of course, now we don't because we're both adults. But yeah, I I get along very well with my sister. I chat with her every day, and I don't see her very often, but I'm gonna see her this month. So she will be visiting me at the end of this month.
You don't live in your family?
No, no, no. We live in different cities.
Or
Yeah.
in your
Sh-
country?
Yeah, in the US. My parents also live in another city. They live about 2 hours away from where I live. So we all live separate, but I see my parents more often. Mhm. So, yes. I haven't lived with my family since I was 18.
Oh,
Yeah, so here it's very common to leave your family when you go to university.
you miss your family?
No way, I could never live with my mom anymore. No, no, thank you. Yeah, I mean, no, we fight a lot, so it's not a good idea. Hmm.
Me and my brother every day, every time fighting.
Hmm. That's normal. How old is your brother?
18 years old.
18. Okay. Yeah, teenager too. Like a teenager time is kind of difficult. Is he in university already?
No,
Not yet, so he's still in school.
no, no. Now he's learn ITI.
He's what?
ITI.
Okay. So then he's going to enter school?
No, no. Not school. He's learn college.
Okay, yeah, university. We call it school too. School is the same as university. Mhm. School, college, university, it's all the same. Okay,
Uh,
that's really good. What is he going to study?
mm, he's going. Mm, uh, he's going every day. Morning,
Uh-huh.
Morning he is going to college.
Okay, that's nice. But we're getting disconnected. So nice to meet you. Talk to you
Nice
next
to
time.
meet you.